Now, good morning, students. Exercise 7C. In this exercise, all the sums are related with these two identities. One is a plus b whole square, another is a minus b whole square. So, see sum number 9 z square plus z plus 1 by 4. So z whole square plus the third term can be written in this way 1 by 2 whole square. So middle one 2 into z into 1 by 2. So these two and the 2 cancel, 2 by 2 becomes 1. So z left, so see that one, match with it. So this one match with right hand side of first identity. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So in place of a, here is z, in place of b, 1 by 2. So z plus half, z plus half. So this one is the answer of this question. Sum number 11, p square minus 10p plus 25. So p whole square minus plus 5 square, that is equal to 25. So middle one 2 into p into 5. Now this one match right hand side of that identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this one is equal to a minus b whole square. In this question, in place of a, p, in place of b, 5. So b minus 5 whole square. So write lowest power of it, p minus 5 and p minus 5. So these two are the factors of this expression. Sum number 14, 9y square minus 12y plus 4. So 3y square plus 2 square minus 2 into 3y into 2 plus 2 square. So 3y minus 2 whole square. So write lowest power 3y minus 2, 3y minus 2. So this one is the answer of this question. 17, a square b square minus 6abc plus 9c square. So that is equal to ab whole square minus, and this one 3c whole square, that is equal to 9c square, because 3 square is 9. So middle one 2a b into 3c. Now multiply 3 to the 6 a b c. Now this one match with right hand side of it. So write that part. In place of a, here is ab. In place of b, here is 3c. So ab minus 3c whole square. Write in lowest power ab minus 3c, ab minus 3c. So this one is the answer of that question. Sum number 18, m to the power 4 plus 2m square plus n to the power 4. So m to the power 4 is equal to this one, and n to the power 4 n square whole square. So middle one 2 into m square into n square, match with that one, this equal to identity 1. So in place of a, here is m square, in place of b, here is n square. So m square plus n square whole square, right in lowest power, m square plus n square plus n square. So this one is the answer of this question. And these are the factors of this question. Sum number 19, L plus m square minus 4l m. So this one match with that identity a plus b whole square. Say a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, write that one, minus 4l m. So n square, there is plus 2, there is minus 4. So you have to do the work of subtraction, that is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 L m plus m square. This one match with that identity. So you write that part. In place of a, here is L. In place of b, here is m. So L minus m whole square, write in lowest form, L minus m, L minus m. So this one, the answer. Exercise 7D. This exercise, you have to find the factors of the question by the method that is known as by splitting middle term. How to do it? Look at question number 2. Y square plus 10y plus 24. So by splitting middle term, first to multiply the constant of with first one with third one. Here is 1 and here is 24. Multiply these two numbers. Now divide 24 into two numbers, so that by adding or subtracting you get 10, which is in middle one. So take 6 and 4. 6 4 is 24. 6 plus 4, 10. Now I write y square plus, in place of 10, 6 plus 4 within first bracket, after that y plus 24. Now open the bracket. 6y plus 4y plus 24. Now from this to HCF is y, so only y is left, y plus from second term 6 only. Now plus from these two HCF of 4 and 24, that is 4, from this one y and divide 24 by 4, which is equal to 6. Now y plus 6, from first only y, from second 4. So these are the factors of this question. Sum number 5. X square plus 15x plus 56. Here 1 into 56. Now split or divide into two numbers, so that by adding or subtracting you get the middle one. So take 7 and 8. 7, 8 are 56. Now add 7 and 8. If you add these two numbers, which is equal to 50, now write x square plus 7 plus 8, x plus 56, x square plus 7x plus 8x plus 56. From these two, HCF is x, so x plus 7 plus these two, HCF is 8, x plus 7. Now x plus 7, HCF of these two, left from 1, x, and from second 8. So these two are the factors of this question. Sum number 8. Q square minus 10q plus 21. So here 1 into 21, because here is 1, here is 21. So multiply these two numbers, which is equal to 21. 7 and 3. 7 3 are 21. Add these two numbers, which is equal to 10. So here is 10. Q square minus 7 plus 3 q plus 21. Q square minus 7q minus 3q. As you open the bracket, this way plus into minus become minus, plus 21. Now HCF of these two terms, that is q. From first q is left, from second 7. HCF of 21 and 3, that is 3. So q minus 7, because if you divide 21 by 3, the quotient is 7. Now from these two, q minus 7 is the HCF. So q minus 7, from first only q, from second 3. So these are the factors of this expression. Sum number 9. Z square plus 19 z minus 150. So 1 into 150, that is equal to 150. So divide by 3, 30, again by 3, 6. As we have to make 19, so 25 and 6, 25 minus 6, which is equal to 19, 25 into 6, which is equal to 150. Now z square plus 25 minus 6, or say z minus 150. Now open the bracket, 25z minus 6z minus 150. Now from these two, only z is the SCA, so z plus 25 minus 6 and 150, the HCF of 6 and 150 is 6. So Z, if you divide 150 by 6, then the percent is 25. So plus 25. Plus into minus, minus. Here is minus. That's why when you write within bracket, change that symbol. From these two terms, z plus 25 is the HCF. So z plus 25. From first, z is left. From second, 6. So these two are the factors of this question. X square minus 22x plus 117. So here is 1, here is 117, multiply, that is equal to 117. So find that one by dividing 3, 39, 3 3 is 9, 10, 11, remainder 2 with 27, 3 9 is 27. Then again divided by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. You have to bring 22. So 13 and 9. Add 13 with 9, that is equal to 22. Multiply 13 with 9, that is equal to 117. So x square minus 13 plus 9, x plus 117. X square minus, open the bracket, 13x minus 9x plus 117. Now HCF of x square and 13x, that is x. From first, x is left. From second, only 13. Minus. Now HCF of 117 and 9, that is equal to 9. X, if you divide 117 by 9, then it is equal to 13. Minus 13. Here is plus, as you written within bracket, before it minus, that's why here opposite symbol is written. Now from these two terms, x minus 13 is common. X minus 13 is HCF. So x minus 13. From first only x, from second 9, x minus 9. So these are the factors of this question.